should I be, Quincy? Should I be law? Should I be law, Quincy? Should I be law? And I'll fight against Lee, or I can fight against Shao Queen. I'll fight against Shao Queen, ultra hard version. Let's fight.
Get ready for the next battle.
I'm dying. I don't want it. Oh shoot! I hate it. It's the ultra hard bot. That's me. I'm the one that's in the red. And this is me. Look, I'm the one with the shirt off. I'm the one with the shirt off. Let's go, I won. I'm player 1 and the bot's player 2. Ah! Fuck! Oh, why does he keep spamming that move?